Ready to take your printed visuals to the next level? With our state-of-the-art one-button scan-to-poster function, you can easily transform standard letter-size documents into stunning, full-color posters that capture every detail with precision and clarity. Need to print a digital file you already have? With our drag-and-drop software, anyone can just drag an existing file or design into our software, select a size, and click Print. All our printers are network-ready, so you can print from anywhere. Have your design on a thumb drive? Our Plus Series printers have USB thumb drive port built into the printer. Just insert your USB thumb drive into the port, select your file, and hit Print. No PC necessary. Need to design a custom creation? We have the solution for you. You'll be able to get creative with beautiful banners, posters, and displays in no time, all without ever leaving the comfort of your classroom. Our software has a rich and powerful set of features with hundreds of education poster templates, thousands of fonts, and even an integrated stock image search. Our graphics tools and creative font collection make it easy to produce high-impact, engaging classroom visuals, all with no subscription costs. Already have a design from a different software package? No problem. Our printers and software are ready to print files created in Canva, Adobe Express, Photoshop, and more, all with vivid detail, color, and precision.